A Jamaican has become the First Lady of Liberia, following the election of her husband as the new president of the West African nation. Duncan-weah's husband, George Menaway, a former FIFA World Player of the Year, won the presidency in the Liberian electoral runoff on December 26, 2017. Weah, who was born in Jamaica to Jamaican parents, migrated to Fort Lauderdale in the United States, where she runs a thriving Caribbean restaurant and grocery store. According to the reports, the couple met in a Chase Bank in the US, where Claire worked as a customer service officer. George had gone there to open an account and was enamored by the Jamaican. Claire is a simple woman, and this is indicative of the way that she dresses. She is regarded not only as a brilliant strategist, but great canvasser as well, whose bright smile, even in difficult moments, is able to break barriers. Close allies describe her as intelligent and possessing a special type of aura. The Jamaican wields a lot of power around her husband and could further expand her power base once he assumes office as the president of Liberia in January 2018. Liberia, a country yet to fully recover from many years of civil war and senseless bloodletting, might not be popular with many around the world, but that has not stopped the name George Weah from being prominent on the lips of millions across the continents. One of the tiniest West African country's most illustrious sons, Weah shot to global prominence plying his trade with some of Europe's biggest football clubs. An energetic and skillful striker during his playing days, the 51-year-old featured for the likes of Paris Saint-Germain, Monaco, Chelsea, Manchester City and AC Milan, where he won the coveted FIFA World Player of the Year and Ballon d'Or in 1995, the first and only African to achieve such a feat to date. George Weah has occupied various top positions, winning the keenly contested presidential runoff election in December after the main ballot earlier in October. The couple got married some 2 decades ago and have a family. Claire, who is also a resident of Fort Lauderdale in Florida, recently traveled to Liberia a week ago to support her husband's campaign in the presidential election. Jamaican expressed their excitement that one of their own, Claire, will now be the First Lady of Liberia following her husband's election win. The election represents a victory for his Coalition for Democratic Change (CDC) party. The West African nation of Liberia is bordered by Sierra Leone to its west, Guinea to its north, and the Ivory Coast to its east. It covers an area of 111,369 square kilometers or 43,000 square miles, and has a population of 4,503,000 people. English is the official language, and over 20 indigenous languages are spoken, representing the numerous ethnic groups who make up more than 95% of the population. The country's capital and largest city is Monrovia. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
The struggle is real. Now watch, you know, a rapper crapper they represent for teach them. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, so make sure you subscribe. The channel is real. Come back for more.